So we have this question. It says if the angle of elevation of sun changes from 30 degree to 45 degree, the length of shadow of a pillar decreased by 20 meter. Okay, the height of the pillar is. So this is the diagram we draw. So this is H, let this H. This BD is the shadow at 45 degree elevation, which is X, let X meter, and this distance is decreased, which is 20 meter. Okay, so let uh, uh, height of pillar equals to AB equals to H. Okay, and so shadow at 45 degree elevation is equal to BD is equal to X meter. Okay, so this is X meter. So you can write for a triangle A, B and D, we can write tan of 45 degree is equal to AB by BD. Okay, so tan 45 degree, 44 degree is equal to 1. So 1 by H by X, or from here you can write X equals to H. Okay, so this is one equation we got. Okay, now we can write from for triangle ABC. Okay, for this triangle, this whole triangle, we can write tan 30 degree is equal to AB. So AB by BC. Okay, now AB is H and BC is equal to X plus this 20. Okay, so this value is 1 by root 3 is equal to now H, and this X is equal to H plus 20. So from here we can write root H minus 1 H is equal to 20, and H is equal to 20 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, and if you multiply both numerator and denominator, we can multiply this one with root 3 plus 1. 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, now let's solve this here. Okay, we can write H equals to 20 root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. So this 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, and if we divide this by this, we'll have 10. So H is equal to 10 root 3 plus 1. So this is our answer. So option 4 is the correct answer.